Hey there friends, spring is finally almost here, and if you're anything like me, you're so ready to freshen up your home after a long winter. The good news, you don't have to go out and buy a bunch of new decor to make your space feel light, bright, and spring ready. Today I'm sharing 14 simple ways to bring spring into your home using what you already have. These are super easy, budget-friendly ideas that will make a big difference without costing you a dime. Let's jump in. One of the easiest and most effective ways to make your home feel fresh for spring is to let in as much natural light as possible. Open up your curtains or blinds all the way during the day. Clean your windows inside and out to remove dust and streaks after a long winter. And if you have heavier winter drapes, consider swapping them out for lighter sheers. Natural light instantly lifts the mood of a space and makes everything feel brighter, cleaner, and more open. Spring is the season for fresh, airy textures. If your home still feels like winter with chunky knit blankets and dark colored pillows, do a little swap. Use lightweight cotton or linen throws, change out pillow covers to pastels or softer neutrals, and even consider swapping your bedding for a lighter duvet or quilt. These small changes can make a huge impact on how your space feels. Spring is the perfect time for a little reset. Clear off surfaces like your coffee table, dining table, and shelves, and pack away anything that feels too heavy or too cluttered. A more minimal, streamlined space will instantly feel fresher. Plus, decluttering makes room for more light and openness, two things that scream spring. Nothing says spring like fresh flowers and greenery. If you don't want to buy a bouquet, this whole budget thing, just step outside and clip a few branches from a tree or pick some wildflowers if they're blooming in your area yet. Even a simple mason jar with fresh greenery can add a touch of spring to your home. Houseplants are another great way to bring in a little nature. Just move one to a new spot where it can really shine. This is one of my favorite zero-cost decorating tricks. Changing up your furniture layout can make a space feel brand new without spending a dime. Try shifting your couch to face a window for more natural light. Swap chairs between rooms, or even just angle a piece of furniture differently to create a fresh new look. It's amazing what a little furniture shuffle can do in the spring or at any time of year. Spring is all about color. Think pastels, crisp whites, soft greens, and fresh yellows. Take a look around your home and use what you already have. Maybe it's a pastel pillow from a bedroom, a white vase from a different room, or even some colorful books that could be stacked as decor. A little color goes a long way in making your space feel light and fresh. Are you ready to transform your home but not sure where to start? Join me for my free class, Embrace Your Space, where I'll share my proven process for creating a home you love to live in. In this workshop, you'll learn the exact steps I've used for years to turn cluttered chaos into beautiful, organized areas in my home. I'm also going to teach you my foundational step to loving the home you love to live in, including my secret for loving your home as it is right now, even if it's nowhere near being your dream home. Don't miss out on this opportunity to start your journey toward a home that reflects your style and feels like you. Sign up for the free class today at homemadelovely.com/embraceyourspace.yt and take the first step toward creating the home you truly love to live in. A home that smells like spring feels like spring. Try diffusing essential oils like citrus, lavender, or even eucalyptus. Or make a simple DIY stovetop simmer pot by adding sliced lemons and fresh herbs like rosemary or mint to a pot of water. Simmer on low all day. This will make your home smell amazing in minutes. Before you buy anything new, take a walk through your home. A vase from your bedroom might look perfect on your dining table. That cute basket from your entryway, it could make a great storage solution in the living room. By swapping items between rooms, you can give your space a whole new look without spending a single penny. If you have lighter bedding tucked away, now's the time to bring it out. Crisp white sheets, a soft floral duvet, or even just a lighter throw at the end of the bed can make your space feel refreshed for spring. Even swapping out your bathroom towels for a fresh set in a bright, airy color can make a difference. If you have sheer curtains, spring is the time to use them. They let in more light and create a breezy, airy feel in any room. If you don't have shears, just tying back your existing curtains can open up your space and bring in more sunlight. A small grouping of spring-inspired decor arranged in a vignette can instantly refresh your space. Try placing a simple vase of greenery on your coffee table, stacking a few light-colored books, and adding a candle with a fresh scent. The key is to keep it light, airy, and intentional. Spring decor doesn't have to be complicated. A bowl of fresh lemons, a bundle of herbs in a jar, or even woven baskets can add warmth and texture to your home in the form of natural elements. Simple, natural elements are always in style. Instead of buying something new for spring, try rotating what you already own. Swap out framed prints for something lighter and more seasonal. Bring in a mirror to reflect more light, or simply rearrange existing decor for a fresh new feel. In the spring, get a little creative. Make a simple DIY decor piece. You don't have to be super crafty. Just placing some twigs in a pretty jar, making a simple wreath with things from your yard, or styling a candle arrangement can give your home a seasonal refresh. And there you have it, 14 easy ways to bring spring into your home without spending a lot. Which one of these ideas are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this cozy home video for spring and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe down below so you don't miss any of my future videos focused on creating a space you love. Happy spring, friends!